Hello everyone, this is Muntasir from muntasirrahman.com, and in today's video I will show you how you can import your subscriber list from one email service company to Aweber for completely free. So this is MailerLite. I have some subscribers that have subscribed to one of my websites. So in today's video I will show you how I can export that subscriber list from MailerLite and upload it into Aweber, and that too without any cost and very quickly. So first, I am doing this for MailerLite, but it will work in any kind of email marketing software because almost all of them have these features. So first, what will you need to do is go to the subscriber option. In other email marketing softwares it may be labeled as list, so you'll just have to find that. And now I have a lots of list here, but I want a specific group of people that have subscribed in one of my site. So I will go to groups. After I have come to groups, then I have some specific groups and I will export just this group, okay, because I don't want to disrupt all my other large groups for this video. So I will just use this group. So I will just click on the group, and now this group contains 46 subscribers. So what I will do is I will just click on export and export CSV. It is about to start and the download file is ready now. So I will download it, and our work on MailerLite or whatever platform your current subscribers has is done now. So we will go to Aweber. Now in Aweber, I like to create a separate list for each of my websites. So for this list, I will create a separate list, and for that I will just first click here and create new list. Okay, now that we are here, first we will choose your company name. I just keep it my name, and then your website and other stuff. You will just put all of this, and here you will put your email. It is recommended not to use Gmail. You should use emails that are hosted on your site, like my website is muntasirrahman.com, so I should use an email like admin@muntasirrahman.com, something like that. So after that, click next step, and now your list, put the list name. So for now I will just put MMBP, and you can keep some descriptions. uh, okay, then I will click next step, language and English, subject line. Okay, we don't want to create any confirmation now, but I'll just keep it like this here for now, and then approve message and create list. Okay, we have created our active list. Now you can see it is on MMBP. Now we will import our list into this MMBP list. Okay, so for that we will go to subscribers and add subscribers, and then we will click import multiple. Now we will just upload the file we have downloaded from MailerLite. So here you can choose which columns will be uploaded or which columns will be brought into Aweber from the MailerLite file. I just keep the email for now and nothing else, so I will just click next, confirm, and then they will ask you if you want your subscribers to confirm their subscription. As they have already confirmed when I added them here, so I don't need to do this again. So I will keep no, they do not need to confirm to join my list. Then next. Now at this point you can add some tag to your subscribers. It will help you to manage your subscribers later in the future. So I can add some tag here like MMBP, import MMBP hyphen MailerLite. So I know these tags, these subscribers were imported from MailerLite. Okay, then I will click next, background info. So how did the subscribers join your list? So they signed up on my website. So I'll click here and give my website link, and then let us know if you are importing these subscribers from another email provider. Yes, and I will choose here MailerLite. If you don't see yours in this list, then just put other and provide the email provider's name. So I'll keep MailerLite for now and submit your import. So If your list is huge, then it can take about 24 hours to import the full list, but as mine is very short and small, so it won't take that much time. So I will just go here to subscribers and see we have downloaded all the subscribers from MailerLite to Aweber just that easily. It didn't even take 2 minutes, I think. So you have all the subscribers now, all 46 subscribers, and I hope they are tagged. Now if you click any of the name, we don't have the subscribers name because we didn't import that. So if you keep any of the name, you can see the subscriber's email address when he or she was added, and if there are any tags or additional notes, so it will help you to manage your subscribers more efficiently. And the tags will help you to, if you want to set up an autoresponder, then these tags will help you to keep control the flow of the emails and send customized emails to each of those subscribers. So this is all for today's video. I hope you have found today's video helpful. Now if you are not using Aweber yet, I have a great news for you. Aweber has released their free costing program. That means for now you don't have to pay anything to use Aweber for up to 500 subscribers. So if you are just starting out, then these free Aweber will be great option for you. You can just start right away and you won't have to pay a thing for until you have 500 subscribers. So if you are up for that, then please click the link in the description. If you click there, you will already go to the page where you can sign up for free. You won't have to pay for anything. The link will be in the description box below, and it will be an affiliate link. So further down the road, if you have a huge list and want to pay for the Aweber Premium, then I will get a commission for that. So thank you for that. And if you want to know more about Aweber, how it works and what are its features, then I have a detailed review just on that. I will also put the link of that review in the description box below. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye.